Did you know that a recent survey from Fannie Mae shows 1 in 4 people still think home prices are going to fall this year? But the data says they're rising in most markets. So why so much confusion? Let me help you out. If you're one of those people that's worried about prices are going to spiral, check out the projections for 2024. This graph shows the most recent home price forecast from 8 different expert sources. And if you average all of them together, the blue bar on the left shows overall prices are expected to go up about 2% this year. More moderate for sure, but definitely not a decline. That's because inventory is still tight and demand is going to rise as mortgage rates start to fall. It's always a supply and demand issue. So if you're worried about home prices might fall in 2024, do not be. Of course, prices always vary by local market, but most experts think naturally they're going to stay up for this year. So let's connect and I'll give you the latest data on what's going on right here in our local market. Carolyn Alaverdium from Real Estate by Carolyn over at eXp Realty, putting you first every step of the way.